Once again guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Kali Linux root password or the username password. So in my previous video, I did on how to reset Ubuntu based distros, but this method can be also applied to most of the Debian based distros. So to do that, I'm going to restart my Kali Linux machine. So, and after reaching the grep menu, you're going to press letter E to edit the grep parameters. So you're going to locate here a line that starts with Linux, then /boot VM Linux. So you're going to use the arrow key to go down or up. So here's the line that starts with Linux. And you can see /boot VM Linux. So you're going to go to the end of the line using your arrow keys. So and here you see RO quiet splash. So we're going to delete that. And we're going to replace with this command, which is RW, which stands for read write. Init is equals to /bin bash. So, and here you can see press Ctrl X or F10 to boot. So now, if I reboot this system, it's going to open a passwordless root shell, which will be our gateway to reset our Kali Linux password or the root password. So I'm going to press Ctrl X or F10 to boot. As you can see, here is the passwordless root shell. So I'm going to clear the screen. And if you want to confirm if you have read or write access, you're going to type this command, which is mount. As you can see, we have read write access. So if you want to reset your root password, you're going to type here password, then enter. That is for the root password. As you can see, enter your new password. So I'm going to enter mine. Password updated successfully. And if you want to reset your Kali Linux username password, you're going to type here password, then the username. You want to reset my password, so mine is the default, which is Kali. Then press enter. You're going to enter your new password. And password updated successfully. And with those few steps, you will have successfully reset your root password or your username password. So if you want to reboot your Kali Linux machine, you're going to type this command. And that command is going to reboot our Kali Linux machine back to the login screen. So now you're going to enter here your username and your password, which is your new password now. As you can see guys, I've been able to log in back to my machine with those few steps. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.